this is a new vlog. We'll be having our Pilates class. I'm so excited because I will be having Andre with me. Yeah, come to Pilates with us. So early kami guys, but it's fine. Sa taas na namin mag-wait. Cute man sa dilang place. Nagano pa siya sa kanyang supporters. It's his first time and I'm excited for him. Enjoy ba si Andre? We're done with our class. We'll go to Starbucks to grab our coffee. So we're here now sa may IT park. Grab it now.
Thank you po.
Hi everyone! So it's a new day and today is our monthly. And by the way, he gave me flowers. So cutie! Done with our dinner. Guys, Andre gave me this. What the frick? Thank you! For Paramount. So nag-t-shirt ako. We're here at Paramount and we're gonna have our ice cream. Hi guys, I'm gonna get my lashes done. We're here at Azuela with Andre Ramos. So yeah. Done with my lashes. Yeah, just a normal bestseller. So now we're gonna go to SM. Okay lang siya. Dili na ko type for 280 kay mas lami pa sa Kisong guys. Christmas tree. Yes. How was your first session here? So today is a new day and it's December 16. It's our Christmas party with my college friends.
Mas kapoy sila is more
Happy birthday to you!
I-video lang po yung time lapse.
Kinsa yung nakamag.
Hi guys! Welcome to our Christmas party! Wow!
Tingin sa man eh. My goodness! Smile ka.
So guys, we're here at Amaranta sa Samal. Malapit na siya sa bar. So we're gonna go to the beach.
Yeah, Christmas
Ligo
party
na.
namin pala guys.
Yeah, Christmas party is sa BWNARC.
Yeah. Hi guys. Practice sila guys. Go.
Hey guys, so we're here at Limkitka. Today we're going to Dahilayan. We're here at City of. We're here now at Dahilayan. There's a lot of people. Let's go! So we're here guys. Nagaling niya pa sila for the rides. So guys, we availed the 900 per person para sulit siya. So,
Hi guys, nag-ulan.
ulan. And we're make purple minions. Fit check.
Fit check guys.
We're lining na. Napila sa So, mga 2 hours per girl may makakaon. Hi guys, we're back from lunch. And now we're gonna try the loo. Let's go to the hanging bridge.
Hey love, tara dali love.
Go!
Go guys.
Round 2. We're lining for the zip line.
Zip line guys.
Manamig guys. And ang pabalik na lang kay Hanging Bridge. Oh, guys, masyag Spider-Man. Hey guys, so we're here at the stroll and we're celebrating our 5th Christmas dinner. Here is my man.
Open mo na, ikaw mo na una. Open na. Okay guys.
Hi guys, it's New Year. It's the first day of 2026 and now we're here at Buda. We're here at Kitao-Tao. So dito kami nag-celebrate